whiteboard animation software comparison, the best ones. Hey, you want to do whiteboard animation? Cool. This is the video for you because I'm going to compare some of these. I'm going to tell you what the best ones are so you can just go get it. And I'm also going to share with you what I did and what happened and why it didn't work. Okay, I did a whiteboard animation, it didn't work, but I want to share that with you at the end. Let's get into these softwares first and show you which ones you want to get. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching this video. I really appreciate it. I've been selling online since 2009. I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and on this channel, well, heck, it's your channel. This is your channel. You can ask any questions you want. I try to answer those questions. If you do have questions about a particular subject, please put it in the comments below. Ask me questions. Let me know what you thought. Give me some feedback. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. Doesn't matter. Just do those things. And don't forget to subscribe. There's a big subscribe button down there. Click that button and a bell will pop up. Looks just like this. And ring that bell, turn on all notifications. That way you'll be part of the Fisher family. You'll be part of the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do one of these videos. All right, let's jump right into it. I want to look at each one of these whiteboard animations. I'll put some stuff up on the screen so you can see it and see which ones are the best. Okay, the first one I got up here is Doodly. Okay, now according to its creators, Doodly is the easiest to use logo animation software. Anyone can use it, and you can create professional videos in a matter of minutes, which is pretty cool, right? As the name suggests, Doodly is used to create doodle videos, okay, which is pretty cool. You can use it for engaging, interesting content, sales, marketing, classroom projects, anything you want. Okay, the best thing about Doodly is that all you have to do is point and click. Okay, you don't need to be a graphic artist, you don't have to be a professional video maker, or you don't have to understand how to do code or any of that stuff. Okay, anyone from young and inexperienced to mature and experienced can use the software to design any kind of video they desire. Doodly is ideal for all businesses, whether it's big or small. I feel like it's one of the best logo animation softwares there are. Okay, some of the key features: it's really easy to use. You can use it to create whiteboard, green board, or glass board and blackboard images. You can draw and upload your own images. There's no limit to the number of images that you can upload to a single video. The software has a large selection of male and female heads, which help make videos more personal and relatable. You can do your own voiceovers, which you can upload to your video in a matter of seconds. You also get music tracks from a variety of genres. Doodly has thousands of images, and all of them are custom drawn by a team of professional graphic artists. You can install Doodly in as many devices as you want, so that's kind of cool. So if you've got a couple different computers, that's not a problem. Now if you buy the standard plan, it's $39 a month to access 200 characters, 200 props and images, and 20 royalty-free music tracks, and use it to create multiple videos on multiple devices. The enterprise plan costs $69 a month and gives you access to 750 characters, 6,200 props and images, 150 music tracks, unlimited videos, and on unlimited devices, and the membership to the Doodly Club. Okay, the next one is Video Maker FX. Video Maker FX is a software that facilitates creation of professional quality animation videos. It can be used to create various kinds of animations, quality that match with your presentation and match your requirements, and it really helps keep the attention of the audience. Okay, so that's a pretty cool software. It is compatible with Windows or Mac. It works fast, and the process of video creation only takes a little longer or slower on computers. There's no watermarks on there, any limitations, anything like that. There's a facility for monthly subscription. Each license allows for use on 2 computers, so you're limited on this one. Over 20 royalty-free music tracks for use. You can also use your own assets in video, and you can do that with pretty much all of these. Excellent collection of backgrounds, images, and icons are available to use with a few clicks. There are 35 themes. It comes with more than 240 customizable scenes for videos. Training materials and manuals are available with installation guides for new users. Fully customized text editor allows you to create and add effects to the text of your video. Simply turn on or off facility for all features for ease of use. Next one up is Easy Sketch Pro. Now Easy Sketch Pro is not only a whiteboard animation software, it also facilitates lead creation according to the requirements. Easy Sketch Pro specified click to call feature allows the presenter to get a direct call from the video while presenting, which that's pretty cool. The possibility to add other videos to your project is another interesting feature of Easy Sketch Pro. You get the possibility to create standard or full HD videos, a facility to add music track from a built-in music library or import external storage, a built-in text editor. It provides functionalities such as text size and color to easily modify text. Also, you can manipulate wither, sizing, and rotate text like images, playtime control, and trimming effects. Next one I've got up is Vyond. Previously Go Animate is what they used to call it. But it's a whiteboard animation software that comes with a collection of backgrounds, props, and character actions, which helps to create really nice eye-catching whiteboard animations. There are several themes to select from, which are related to several occupations, industries, and actions. So depending on what you do for a living, you can match it up. You can create your own characters as required by the topic, which I think is a really decided advantage. They have single-click publishing that allows publishing videos on a range of video hosting sites, multi-language support, full HD video creation with MP4 format, download facility, automatic lip sync facility, which that is really cool, that makes the video more natural, automated infographics facility, also import tool to import images from outside the inbuilt Assert collection. Next one is Movely, used by many of the world's largest and successful companies to make their video animations. It's my #1 pick. You sign up for Movely and you start to create presentations, animations, or multimedia content. There's several free templates to start. Also, you can add your own images, sounds, and video clips to animation. There are possibilities to view, edit, delete, and restore the created video on Movely at the same time. Also, the video can publish to YouTube or Facebook channel. Some of the features are you can lock object and layer facility. This will help you avoid unintended changes on time and position to the object or layer. Modifications to imported soundtracks like fade in or out, sound split, sound change, volume level. Control the view on timeline objects with show all checkbox. It's got a set of export formats for the created video, so pretty much every file type. Simply right-click the menus in the editor with the context sensitivity, object renaming facility on the timeline, special occasion objects library like Halloween object library. Next one is Powtoon. This will also do whiteboard animations and presentations. They have tons of ready-made templates with the possibility to edit or are available to create eye-catching Powtoon within a few minutes. Also, the dedicated style sheet allows for creation for special occasions like Halloween greetings, Valentine greetings, all that type of good stuff. Some of the features are inbuilt royalty-free music and style library, up to 60 minutes HD and up to 8 minutes fully HD video creation. You can do online video creation without any downloads. Collections of inbuilt animation tools that cover all kinds of animation creation requirements, well tested to ensure the tool is simple for optimal use. It's possible to share on social media and YouTube. Text editor for regular text editing requirements like font style, size, color, all that stuff. You can import outside MP3 format audio files. You can import from Flickr or the computer. Timeline bar on the bottom of the screen indicates every object and it makes it easy to edit and point. And the last one I want to tell you about is TrueScribe. TrueScribe is an award-winning whiteboard animation software that allows video creation without design experience. Okay, so you don't have to know how to do this stuff. Some of the features are it's possible to edit videos at any time, even after the design stage is completed. There's a voice recording option to create new voice for videos, a set of free clear machine voices to use with videos. There's an option to enable or disable the digital hands which draw images in sync with voice. Logos and photos can insert as .jpg files. You can add separate layers for the background image and a separate layer for textures. You can insert videos on the MP4 download format and share video through link sharing or embedded page. 5 high contrast color schemes to select from. Add power punch to your videos. special themes available for different industries and different requirements, text editing with basic functionality, and a facility to copy and paste text or type. Now that's certainly not every single one that's out there. There's more out there, but these are some of my top picks. The point is you can really get your message across, and it's been proven that people consume content much better with a video. Some of you out there may not want to get on screen, and I get it. As a matter of fact, that goes back to my story I was going to tell you in the beginning. In 2013 I needed to do a video because I wanted to get distributors of my product, and my thinking was I'd get them to pay a fee and buy a bunch of inventory, and then they could go sell it. It was a dumb idea. It didn't work, but I blamed it on a bad whiteboard video. I made a whiteboard video that explained the process to them, and I had a few inquiries, but I really never got that going. I didn't sign up anybody that I can remember off of that program, but I put a lot of hours into it because I didn't want to get on screen and talk about that particular thing. I didn't want to talk about it. I didn't want to do it. Didn't want to get on screen. Now when I think back on it, maybe it would have worked had I have got on screen, had I have got in front of a camera and did that. Was it the idea that was bad? Was it the idea of using whiteboard that was bad? I don't know. Whiteboard is still out there, and whiteboard is still better than no video at all. If you're vacillating and you're going, should I do content and write this out, or should I do a video, you 100% should always do a video. Now should everybody be on screen as opposed to a whiteboard? I would say you being on screen is usually better than a whiteboard, but it may not be. Maybe you're not good on video. Maybe that's not your thing. Maybe you don't come across well. I don't know. If you do come across well, don't do whiteboard. Do yourself on screen. If you feel like you don't want to, or you feel like it doesn't come out right, use the whiteboard. But anything is better than written content. Written content is boring. Okay, we don't want to read anything. We want to watch videos. Most of the content that people are consuming now is videos. Okay, you got to get in that pool. You got to have videos. Now I really appreciate you watching this particular video, and I've put a course below. It's a $97 course. You can get it absolutely free. All you gotta do is click the link below. It's Click and Learn, 100% free. Grab that course. Don't forget also, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there. You got to hit that subscribe button, and as soon as you do, a bell is going to pop up like this. You got to ring the bell. You got to ring the bell, turn on all notifications so that you're part of the Fisher family. You're part of the VIP group. It gets notified. I go, hey, I just did a new video. Here it is. Here's the link. I can send it to you that way. Isn't that cool? You'll get notifications on YouTube every single time I do a new video. That way you don't miss out on anything. Thank you so much for listening. Put your comments below, questions below. If you've had successes, failures, whatever, share it below. Ask me questions. Feel free to do so. Let me know if you have a subject of a video that you'd like for me to do. I'll be happy to do that. Put that below. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.